Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firebase App Check in mobile apps step by step clearly. To activate Firebase App Check in mobile apps, first, log into the Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Navigate to the Build section on the left side menu. Click on App Check under the Build section. Choose the app for which you want to activate App Check. Select the provider you wish to use for App Check. If you choose the Play Integrity provider, ensure your app is signed with a release key. For the device check provider, your app must be running on a physical device. After selecting your provider, click Enable to turn on App Check for your application. Follow the specific setup instructions for your chosen provider. For Android, integrate the Firebase App Check SDK into your app. Add the dependency to your build.gradle file. For iOS, install the Firebase SDK using CocoaPods. Add the appropriate import statements in your code. Next, initialize App Check in your app's code. For Android, use Firebase app.initializeApp, this, in your main activity. For iOS, call appcheck.setAppCheckProviderFactory in your app delegate. Register for App Check token retrieval. Create listeners for App Check token events. Once set up, run your app to ensure everything is working correctly. Test the functionality to verify that App Check is protecting your app as intended. Monitor App Check usage statistics in the Firebase console to track performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.